Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So dito nga nagamon sila ng 2v2 dito. So di ko alam kung bakit. So dito nga muna pala tayo sa special intro natin. Let's go.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! Launch attack! Understood. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Overbearing clerics, be ready for my fury! Show yourselves, you foolish beings. I am the shadow in my heart is
So ayan, early pumapalag yung kaibigan ko dyan guys. Dahil wala naman pala tayong palag.
First blood!
Some may fear death, but that wouldn't be me.
So yan na lang, maya pa tayo nagpaparty yan guys. Biglang pinalagat tayo ng kaibigan ko guys. So yan, napitas niya ako, babawi tayo.
Only the strongest shall survive.
Kasi guys, nag-i-invade tong Nolan. Kasi lugi daw siya sa late. So mas lugi na ako sa level niya guys. So yan, napitas na naman tayo guys. Ewan ko ba kung makakabawi pa ako kasi yung kakampi ko nagpapapit sa kanya eh.
My once merciful heart
Sabi ko no, invade, ba't nag-i-invade?
There goes my mercy.
So ayan guys, nag-i-invade na naman siya guys. Ewan ko ba kung nangyayari dito?
For the lost souls.
So ayan guys, AFK yung kakampi natin dyan. Ewan ko ba kung AFK din yung kakampi niya kasi ewan ko ba.
The shadow in my heart is deeper than the abyss.
Enemy spawn!
All
So ayan guys, kitang-kita nyo naman, lugi-lugi ako sa level. Tapos sinusugod pa ako guys.
my once merciful heart is burning with fury. Don't ever say her name. Raphaela.
So ayan na naman siya, yung Camilo ba yan, kaka-invade guys. Napitas pa ako dito guys.
Bloodshed and violence nourish me.
Our
So ayan, nag-push pa yung kalaban namin guys.
Be ready for immortality. Or death.
So ayan guys, napitas ko pa siya. At napitas din ako guys.
Destruction. Some may fear death, but that wouldn't be me.
Kitang-kita nyo naman sa akin level guys. Login-logi tayo. Tapos nag-i-invade pa yung kalaban ko guys.
Show yourselves, you foolish beings. The world born in darkness will end.
Ewan ko ba
in
kung takot na
darkness.
takot siya magkaroon ng build guys.
There goes my mercy.
So ayan guys, lugi-lugi kami sa level guys. Kasi Nolan napaka talaga eh. Pero ayos lang yun guys. Kahit napipitas ako, or napipitas kami, ayos lang. Basta manalo matalo, ayos lang sa akin.
Show yourself.
So ayan guys, mukhang nilulubay na akong nilulubay na akong kaka-invade guys.
Shadow. Burn in the abyss. My once mercifulness will end in darkness.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Overbearing clerics, be ready for my fury. My fury.
So ayan guys, nilubay na tayo, kaka-invade guys. Kasi lugi na tayo eh. Kaya parang nilubay na tayo guys.
They'll be calling me royalty.
I am the only judge of
They'll be calling me royalty.
Our turret has been destroyed.
the world. Born in darkness will end in darkness.
Our turret is under attack. Our base is under attack. You have slain an enemy.
Only the strongest shall survive.
So ayan guys, napitas na naman tayo ng Nolan guys. Di ko pa alam kung makakabawi pa tayo dito sa Nolan natin eh. Tingnan na lang natin.
Show
Our
yourself.
base is under attack.
There goes my mercy.
Say
The shadow in my heart.
So ayan guys, napitas na naman tayo ng Nolan guys. Tingnan na lang natin kung makakabawi pa tayo. Ewan ko na lang guys.
Oh, show yourselves, you foolish beings.
best to
An enemy has been slain.
マフラーを巻いてくれてありがとう
Team destroyed a turret.
The world born in darkness will end in darkness.
Magaling din naman siya mag-Nolan ha. At masakit din yung damage niya guys. Ewan ko na lang kung ano yung build nito.
Bloodshed and violence nourish me. Or yes.
Shut down.
At yun, natalo pa guys. So, salamat sa paglalaro ah. Nice game, good game. So, guys, natalo tayo guys. Pero ayos lang yun guys. Malakas-lakas din eh. Magaling yung mag-Nolan kasi naano tayo sa So, thanks for watching nga pala guys. Don't forget and like and subscribe. See you in my next video guys. Bye-bye.